What's good, people? I'm back again with another video, with another Air Max, with another Air Max 95, or as people like to call it, Air Max 110 or just 110s. Um, just before I get into that video, though, I do need to humbly request everyone to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I also need to give everyone kind of a heads up about this video. So I have reviewed two different variations of this Air Max 95 110. However, this actual specific one I will be reviewing again. And the reason behind that is I think I'm a bit more educated now, and I did buy a new pair. I'm not struggling for content, don't think that. I could be, but I'm not. Okay? But yeah, so I'd just like to, give a more in-depth review type of thing into what I think or what I consider as a replacement for the actual Air Force One. So for myself, I have actually stopped wearing Air Force Ones as much in the summer, and these can just literally last you the whole summer. Like, you don't need to worry about creases or nothing. The only thing is it will be, not too suitable for jeans, or I wouldn't really wear them with jeans. I think I may have worn them with jeans before, but they're not really too suitable for jeans or, you know, going out and stuff as Air Forces are. So maybe, yeah. So like more tracksuits, shorts, relaxed ones, definitely you can wear these. But let me stop waffling and let me actually get into the trainer slash sneaker. So this box is absolutely bad. Let's just put that out there. As always, this box has been on my channel a trillion, gazillion, trillion, billion times. Not really, but you get the gist. Nike tick on the top, Nike tick on the side, Nike tick on the side, Nike tick on the side. Nike, Nike, Nike tick, swoosh, just do it. Trademark crap that I don't care about. And box is made in China. And this box is made from over 90% recycled material, so that's quite good. But Nike, man, every few years they do change the box of the standard box. I wonder what the box will look like next, because I think it's time. I do miss that brown box. That was amazing. Let's just put that out there. That brown box was whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so bring back the brown box or something like that, Nike. And then we can, just whatever. But yeah, bring back the brown box or replace this box now, because I'm sick of seeing this box. But for the good bit, and for the sneaker, that music, whatever. Actually, wait, I didn't even tell people what size it is. Everyone knows what size it is, man. If you watch this channel, it's a size 10. UK 10, BR 43, centimeters 29, Euro 45, UK, US 11, Nike Air Max 95 Essential, white, grey fog. I'll be honest, there's hardly any grey fog on these. These are just what I just call them triple whites, because to me they're triple white. Ooh, yeah. If you think these are not triple whites, then I don't know, man. Look at that. Look, they're so clean. That's amazing. Just take a minute. Just take a minute and just breathe in. And have a look at those. Clean. Fresh. But yeah, let's get to the good bit, people. So we'll start off with the sole. Nice icy white soles. Icy? Yeah, just white soles, to be honest. That's the grey that the box is probably talking about. That bit and little bits of other grey. So that's the grey fog with the white, with the Nike Air. And we got a crisp white midsole with all white air bubbles. So all the air bubbles are white. They actually look whiter than these ones. That's a bit different. Can anyone else see that? Or is it just me? This one looks kind of more yellow. Nice white air bubbles. And then we've got leather. Everyone knows I love leather. Then we've got leather. Leather. We've also got a grey fog tick, but that's kind of white, to be honest. White and grey, so the grey outline, white inside. I like that. Then we've got this nylon material, which I actually don't mind. So the last bit is actually a nylon material. Then the nylon on the top, you know, it's like a nylon line. And it looks quite smooth, you know, with the sneaker. We've got we've got people, mesh, as always, Air Max 95, famous for that mesh. And then we've got, you know, the white lace loops, just normal standard cloth. Also the wraparound material is what we love to see, leather. Then this is actually not reflective. There's another pair which has reflective on it. This is the non-reflective version. So non-reflective but nice clean white, bright white leather. We've got the grey fog Air Max logo. I actually think they should make like just a grey, that color grey, full Air Max 95. I'll just call it 95 for everyone. Rounded laces, again non-reflective due to this being a non-reflective model. They do have two different types, so there is a reflective model available with slightly different materials here, and the mesh is slightly different, etc. The laces are also normal reflective laces on those, and this is reflective. Also on the back, this is non-reflective, and it's got the, you know, the kind of cloth that's actually kind of dirty, to be honest. I'm not happy with that, man. What's with these quality controls, man, people? But yeah, that's also not reflective. On the other pair it is reflective, so it's more of a grey fog type color. These are definitely triple white in my book. I'll just discard the actual you know, what the box says with the grey fog, because it's literally that, and that. But this pair, very clean. I have actually chosen to replace the Air Force One. Then the reason being is because I need a more sturdy shoe, whatever, that just lasts longer. And this definitely does last. I still have my old pair. I can actually get the old pair now, and those are holding up quite well, to be honest. I haven't really destroyed them. I have been wearing them for about a year now, here and there, and they're still pretty white, to be honest. And I'll actually show. I'll actually, you know what I'll do? I will pause this here. I will go and get the pair, and I'll come back. So just bear with me one moment. Yes. So I need to put this down because I don't really want to put the trainers down on my sheet. So this is the actual pair that I've been wearing for about a year now. As you can see, I haven't cleaned them up. So they are, you know, there's bits and bobs of. It's nothing that a cleaner won't, you know, not sort out, or magic eraser or something like that. So as you can see, still pretty good. Just needs a scrub basically. The sole obviously has signs of being worn, and you can tell I've worn them a lot due to the actual sole. So, you know, all these little bits, there's only not a few left. Maybe I walk a bit different, I don't know. But yeah, so look, exact same shoe. One's just been worn for literally a year. Um, quite good. This bit did bend, but that's something that it's a long story, to be honest. It's not on the other side, so I'll just show you the other shoe. And look how well those look. You can tell I wear these, and look how well they've actually held up. And I haven't even given these a scrub in a long time, so they do have dirt marks, etc. on them. But yeah, people, look at that. So definitely a shoe that I have, used or thought of as a replacement for an Air Force One. And just the reason behind that is the Air Force One price is sky high. They crease every second. If you wear them for 5 minutes, they're creasing. All of that nonsense. So I really can't be bothered with that. A good everyday shoe, just slip on, slip off. I actually wore these today, so they are kind of, not beaters, to be honest, because they are still in pretty good condition. If I gave these a scrub, literally, if I gave these a scrub, they would be more or less brand new. But I don't think I have anything more to say. This has literally just become like a sales pitch for this trainer, but it's just something that I've chose to do myself. So I've replaced the normal Air Force One triple white with Air Max 95 triple whites. It doesn't mean I won't be buying Air Force Ones. It just means I'll be buying much less, and that's just better for me. But yeah, let me get these dirty ones out of the way. Yeah. Enjoy the nice clean pair. I don't have anything else to really say apart from make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share, make sure you subscribe, make sure you press that bell icon. And take care, people.